Here are 10 Amazon unique home items to make your life so much easier. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box below, and I'll also pin it in the comments section. If you're watching from your TV or your iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code you see on screen now for an easy list of everything in this video. Let's do it. By the way, nothing in this video is sponsored and no one is paying me to say any of this, just truly sharing with you some really cool new gadgets. Are you ready to take your balloon game to the next level? Say goodbye to huffing and puffing and hello to this electric balloon pump. This little gadget is an absolute game changer. You can inflate balloons faster than ever before. No more wasting time and effort with manual pumps. This baby gets the job done in seconds, leaving you with more time to really enjoy your party. Check out the dual nozzle design. That's right, you can inflate 2 balloons at once. Double the nozzles, double the fun, and double the efficiency. Perfect for those big events where every second counts. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere: backyard barbecues, baby showers, birthdays, gender reveals, basically anywhere. So the next time you're planning a festive occasion, make sure that you grab your electric balloon pump. Trust me, your lungs will thank you and your party will look fabulous. I have had mine for several years and still use it almost every other month. And right now on Amazon, it's on sale for a limited time, just about $17, 10% off. This is a steal of a deal because it's a product that you will continue to use time and time again. It comes in so many beautiful colors. We have a blue, green, pink, purple, and of course, hot pink. Tired of those pesky fingerprints and dust on your screen? Say goodbye to the ultimate solution, the Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. This double-sided tool is a must-have for anyone with a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. It deep cleans like a pro, leaving your devices looking brand new. You know I love that. On one side, you've got a microfiber pad that effortlessly removes fingerprints and smudges from screens and surfaces. No more annoying streaks and smears. Heck yes. Flip it over and you'll find a soft brush designed to sweep away dirt and dust. Perfect for getting in those tricky nooks and crannies around your keyboard and ports. And when you're done, the retractable brush and storage cover keep both ends protected, ensuring your cleaner stays in tip-top shape. Whether it's your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, the Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner is so versatile. It's compact, portable, and ready to go whenever you need it. In fact, I've been using mine probably every single week. This is just about $14 currently on Amazon at the time of filming, and I have to say this is definitely worth it when it comes to screen cleaners. This next one, my friend, I am shooketh. Got a skin tag you want to remove? No worries, I've got the perfect solution for you. Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away Skin Tag Remover, the first over-the-counter FDA cleared technology for skin tag removal. I've had this tiny little skin tag under my armpit, I have to say, for like maybe 2 or 3 years. I know it's embarrassing, I just kind of forget about it and ignore it, but it was time to put this to the test. This little miracle worker is clinically proven to safely and completely remove skin tags in as little as 1 treatment. And yes, 1 treatment. Stay tuned. It uses the same cryotherapy freezing method trusted by doctors. Just locate your skin tag, apply the treatment, and watch those pesky skin tags freeze away. Say goodbye to skin tags quickly, safely, and effectively. Now, when I first did this, I thought, this didn't work. And over about a week's period of time, I noticed that it started to get really red around the area. So I thought maybe I burned myself or my husband burned me, and I'm like, this doesn't work. I need to find a new product to review. However, a week later, just 1 treatment, I woke up in the morning and the skin tag was magically off my right armpit. I cannot believe that I did not do this sooner. I needed to share all the details with you because at first I didn't think the product worked, and I have to say it absolutely does. Now, you may need a second treatment just depending, but for me it took about a week for it just to fall off in that 1 session. And the price point on this right now on Amazon, just about $20. Definitely worth it. It does come with 8 treatments. So if you have lots of skin tags, just skin tag your heart away. Just kidding. Struggling with those pesky pads and your sports bras and swimsuits? Meet your new best friend, the original Cup Claw. Love that name. This genius tool makes removing, inserting, and adjusting removable pads in women's clothing just a breeze. Whether it's sports bras, swimsuits, or nursing bras, the Cup Claw has got you covered. It provides a firm grip, making pad removal a snap. And guess what? Laundry day hack alert, the cup claw is a massive time saver by getting those pads sorted quickly and effectively. Normally I struggle with putting the bra pad inserts back into my sports bras, and I have a ton of them because I also have a fitness channel here on YouTube, so I'm always in athletic wear, sometimes 2 outfits in a day. So you can imagine all the inserts that I need to pull out, and if you do not pull them out of your sports bras and you wash them, I tell you, my friend, they will start to break down and wear away. And I spent good money on those sports bras, so I want to make sure that they are intact for as long as possible. I'm able to insert the pads in half the time or more. When I try to use my fingers, it's just kind of fat trying to get them all in there to adjust the pad. No, not anymore. Love this genius gadget. And the price point on this currently on Amazon is just about $15. I use this every single week when it's laundry day. And by laundry day, I mean just washing all of my workout attire and inserting all of the inserts. Tired of mess and hassle of those pesky toothpaste caps? Meet your new bathroom hero. Oh yes, hero. The self-sealing toothpaste caps. These unique silicone toppers prevent excess paste from coating the tube, creating less waste and no mess. Say hello to a cleaner, easier brushing experience. Perfect for kids. These caps make it easy to squeeze out the perfect amount of toothpaste every time. I don't know about you, but my 3-year-old likes to cake on that toothpaste. This definitely helps with the cost savings when it comes to toothpaste now. No more messy blobs on the counter or sink, just a smooth, even coating on the toothbrush. The self-closing design keeps a tube hygienic, preventing it from becoming dry, crusty, or gummy. These adaptive caps are perfect for those with limited mobility or arthritis. They're made from high-quality silicone, so these caps won't absorb odors or taste and can be gently washed, rinsed, and used again and again. They're the perfect addition to any bathroom, saving you time, money, and mess. Oh yeah. And I can't even believe it. Right now on Amazon, these are currently 22% off, so just between $6 to $7 for a 6-pack of these, and they do come in multiple gorgeous colors. Need a smart solution for carrying all those water bottles or Starbucks coffee drinks? This is the ultimate game changer, this collapsible water bottle carrier or coffee carrier. The nifty carrier folds flat for super easy storage. Just tuck it away when you're not using it. It's perfect for space saving in your car, gym bag, or pantry. You know I love to save some space. It's tough enough to handle all your adventures, from sports practices to outdoor excursions. And check this out. It holds up to 6 quart-sized water bottles. That means you can keep everyone hydrated and happy, whether you're on the field, at a picnic, or hitting the trails, or just doing an office coffee run. This is the perfect gift for coaches, parents, and outdoor enthusiasts. When the hydration hustle is over, just fold it flat and store it away. It's compact, convenient, and ready for your next adventure. And right now on Amazon, this is just about $22. Definitely worth it in my opinion, considering the versatility. Maybe you have a lot of water bottles strung out around your house. I like to have a corralling station for all of them, so this could be easily used within your home or kitchen to corral all those water bottles. I recently got a gift card for a massage, and I showered afterwards, and inside they had this glorious shower mist, and I thought, I need to find this, and lo and behold, it is on Amazon. Meet your new best friend, Eurospa Aromatics 100% pure eucalyptus oil. This literally is going to change your shower and bathing experience. This essential oil is the choice of most exclusive spas in the United States. Now you can achieve the same delightful aromatic and health benefits right in your own shower or bath, and saving you money. I almost bought this exact spray at the spa in my area, and it was like triple the price. Just a few sprays in your steam of your shower head infuses the entire room with the invigorating cleansing power of eucalyptus. This is also an excellent gift idea. It's refreshing, relaxing, exhilarating, and stimulating all in one. Inhale deeply and let the scent carry your mind away while the oils work their magic. The powerful all-natural solution will delight your senses and soothe what aches you. The benefits of eucalyptus oil have been known for centuries. It's a potent decongestant and stimulant, which is perfect for improving respiration, skin vitality, and general levels of energy. 100% pure oil. No additives, no extenders, nothing but the finest eucalyptus oil. I love this. This is a product that I will buy over and over again, and it lasts you quite a long time. As you can see, I've almost used this entire bottle. I love it so much. Are you ready to tackle those hard to reach places? This is the ultimate cleaning game changer, the baseboard cleaner tool. Let me show you. This fantastic tool comes with 4 replaceable cleaning pads, 2 microfiber pads, and 2 Chanel pads. Perfect for wall cleaning, baseboard cleaning, and of course, window cleaning. Check out the perfect shape design. The flexible head conforms to any baseboard or door molding, making it especially great for cleaning those tricky corners. With a 300-degree swivel design, the baseboard cleaner makes it a breeze to clean any corner without having to bend over or stand directly. It's perfect for anyone with back or knee issues, allowing you to pivot and clean at different angles effortlessly. The baseboard cleaner tool features a long, extendable stainless steel handle that adjusts. Say goodbye to bending, stretching, kneeling, or crouching. This tool isn't just for baseboards, it's a versatile cleaning powerhouse. You can use it on ceilings, car, doors, and window trim, chair rails, banisters, fireplace mantles, and so much more. It's the perfect household cleaning gift for family and friends. Why wait? Make cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient with this baseboard cleaner tool. I'm saying to myself, where has this been my entire life? I've tried the baseboard buddy, which is just fine, but I do prefer this one because of the versatility. Right now on Amazon, there is a limited time deal on this. It's currently 33% off, so between $19 and $20. There's also some 5% off coupons with qualifying purchases. This actually makes your cleaning fun and of course, saves you time. If you are brand new here, I also run a second channel here on YouTube called Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, where I share free, no equipment HIIT workouts. So I am the connoisseur of workout/yoga mats. I gotta find the best ones for you. So are you ready to up level your home workouts? Say hello to your favorite workout buddy, the extra large exercise mat. Yes! This gives you 112% more exercise space than traditional mats, giving you the room to move, stretch, and groove without feeling confined. It's made from premium rec foam. This eco-friendly and sustainable workout mat is 100% recyclable. Exercise with peace of mind knowing you're making a green choice for the planet. The extra wide yoga mat features dual sides with different colors and patterns, enhancing its anti-slip properties. Switch sides based on your mood or workout needs. It is versatility at its finest. It provides excellent cushioning to protect your joints during workouts, ensuring balance and stability for all of your moves. And trust me, I am high, low, and everywhere when I am doing workout videos. Cleaning and storage are a breeze. Thanks to its closed cell material, this large exercise mat prevents sweat absorption, making it easy to clean. Plus, it comes with Velcro straps for hassle-free storage. I love these so much. I had to buy several of them. This last one is so much fun. I'm ending on a zinger for you. Ready to boost your productivity and master those essential shortcuts? This Mac keyboard shortcut sticker has you covered. It's literally your new best friend, working for you smarter and faster. With every essential shortcut right in front of you, there's no more need to Google commands. Easily learn new shortcuts and always have quick access to the most important ones. Yes, quick tips at your fingertips. It helps you learn how to use your Mac much faster and makes your workflow increase exponentially. So maybe you don't have a Mac, but I bet someone in your life does and would love to have this. It's perfect for any age or skill level, whether you're a student, a senior at home, or in the office. And I can't even believe it. Right now on Amazon, this is just about $5. I mean, pennies considering how much use that I have gotten from this shortcut sticker. I love it. I feel so smart whenever I'm using a little shortcut. Plus, it saves me so much time. If we're not friends on Instagram, Andrea Jean Cleaning, make sure that you follow me on over there where I share the first quick updates linked in the description box below as well. Make sure that you sign up for the weekly Cleaning, Home Hack, and Amazon Goodie newsletter linked down below. Let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.